Hello, and today we'll be checking out the Magento 2 wallet system. So basically, this plugin allows the Magento 2 web store customers to make the online payment from the wallet system, and the customers can select the wallet system payment method at the time of checkout process. So basically, the buyers can easily add credit amounts, transfer money, view transaction details in the wallet system, and apart from that, the admin can set the minimum and the maximum limits for adding money to the wallet, and the admin can also do a refund to its customer using the wallet money itself. Apart from that, the admin can also credit or debit the amount from the customer's wallet. And so let's get ahead. Let's see how this particular plugin works. So I'll be showing you the customer end first. We'll be checking how the customers can make use of the wallet system to add the amount to their wallet first, how they can make use of the wallet amount to purchase the products there, and lastly we'll be showing you the rest of the functionality there as well. So right now I have logged into my customer account. As you can see, right now I'm here. On the left hand side we have the customer account options, and to reach the wallet, the customer just needs to navigate to the my wallet section, and here the customer can see manage wallet amount, the page that we are on right now. Then we have the transfer wallet amount section and the add account details option. So let's go through these three options one by one, and thereafter we'll be seeing the rest of the flow there. And before we proceed further, please do like our video, and do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our and on the various videos that we are going to release. And now coming to the wallet manage wallet system here. So here you can see that we are on the wallet page right now, and from here the wallet amount can be added by the customers into their wallet by entering the amount here and then tapping here the add money to wallet button. Apart from that, the wallet amount can also be sent out to the what we say as the banks, and to do so the customer can tap here the transfer amount to bank account button that we have. And apart from that, here you can see the last transactions along with the reference, the debit and the credit details, and the status for each. So here you can see that the wallet amount was transferred to the bank. Wallet was used for $315, and we also have this option recharge of wallet was done for $2,000 there. And you can see the status as pending, approved, and the rest of the things there. So first of all, let's see how we can add the amount to the wallet. So let's add $80 to our wallet. And now to add the amount to the wallet, we'll just tap here on the add money to wallet button, and you can see the amount to be added to the wallet has been added into the cart. So the wallet amount is $80 here. So guys, you know that at the time of adding balance to the wallet, no other product should be be added in the cart itself. So if there's any other product there, then we won't be able to make a checkout. Also, one more thing is there, that during the checkout, if the total payable amount exceeds the wallet amount, then the customer can pay the remaining amount only using an offline payment method like cash on delivery, check money order, or the bank transfer. For the partial online third-party payment methods, you just need to contact our support team at support@webkul.com, and they'll be helping you with the partial online third-party payment method support there. So now let's add the $80 amount to our wallet. So right now it's $1468 in the wallet. So I'll just make a checkout now with the. So we are just going to top up our wallet with $80. And now here in the payment method section, we just need to choose our payment method. So for now, I'll be choosing the check money order here, and then I'll be placing the order. Now after I've done with this, now whenever the invoice gets generated for the $80 there, then the amount would be credited into my wallet there. So you can see that the purchase has been made for the wallet amount there. Let's check the order details for the same. So I've just tapped there. So here you can see that wallet amount, product name, and here's the grand total for $80, and we have chosen the payment method, that's check or money order. Now let's go back to our my wallet section and manage wallet amount. So here on this page now we can't see this particular $80 what we have done right now, the amount that we added into our wallet. So whenever now the invoice gets generated, that particular amount would be reflecting here under the reference. So so these are the details of the order that we just placed, 527 order number, and here's the items ordered, that was wallet amount for that was for price $80 there. Now let me generate the invoice for this particular order. So I'll just tap here on the confirm wallet order button on the admin's end, and then we'll just scroll down and tap here on the submit invoice button that we have. So you can see that the invoice has been created and the wallet amount has been updated for the customer there. Now let's go to the customer account once again. So now let me refresh this page once, and now if you scroll down, so here you can see that the wallet was recharged here, and the credited amount is $80 and it has been approved by the admin. And now you can see the total wallet amount is equivalent to $1,548 there. So that was how a customer can top up his wallet there by adding the amount to the wallet. Now let's get ahead and let's see how a customer can make use of the wallet amount to purchase the product. So now there will be two cases. Whenever, for example, I'm purchasing a product and the amount of the product that I'm going to purchase is less than the wallet amount, then we can easily make a checkout. The second one is that maybe the product that we're going to purchase has the amount that is much larger than the wallet amount that we have. Then in that case we can make use of other payment methods as well. So first let's see the first case. So for that, let me add one product to the cart. So I've added just one product to the cart and it's for $100 there. Let's tap here on the proceed to checkout button, and now we'll be using our wallet amount to purchase this product. So there's no need for us to keep our debit or credit cards ready for making the payment. We have already topped up our wallet, and now we can make the payment using our wallet system itself. So here I'll just choose the shipping method there. I'll just tap here in the next button. And now on the payment method section, as you can see here, we have the payment by your wallet option as well. And here's our cart total and the order total as well. Now I'll just check this option, and this brings up this section where we can see the payment that is to be made. So $105 need to be given for this particular order, and the amount that's within our wallet right now is $1,548, and the left amount to be paid is $0 because we just need to use only $105 from the actual amount that's within our wallet. So after we've used it, our wallet amount would be $1,443. So now I'll just tap here on the place order button. The order has been placed and the order number is 528. Let's check the order details now. So here you can see that the invoice is automatically being generated. Here we have used in the wallet amount that's minus $105, and the actual we have to pay was $105 there. And the payment method is here. You can see Webkul wallet payment. That's the Webkul wallet system was used to make the payment for this particular order. And if I go to the invoices tab here, then we'll be able to see the complete invoice details as well. So here also you can see the wallet amount that was used there, and here's the payment method Webkul wallet system that was used. Now if I go back to my manage wallet system by going to my wallet and manage wallet system amount, let me refresh this my wallet amount page. Now you can see that the other reference, first we had the recharge, now we have used the wallet, and that was for $105, and the status is approved right now. Also the admin can refund the amount back to the customer's wallet if the admin generates a credit memo from the backend panel. So the admin generates a new credit memo for the order. So these are the details that we are seeing here. So here you can see that the subtotal was 100 and the shipping was $5. So I can refund offline from here by tapping the button refund offline. Okay, the credit memo has been generated for this particular order that we had placed. Now if I go back to my manage wallet system and I refresh the page here, and if I scroll down now you can see that the refund order has been credited back to our account. That's $105, and the wallet amount is again $1,548. So that's how a customer can place the order using the wallet amount. The admin can refund the amount back to the customer's wallet if all of the order amount has been paid by the wallet itself. So that amount gets credited back to the customer's wallet there. So that was this. Now let's see if a product or the order. Let's place an order whose value is more than our wallet amount. So for that, let's place one more order. So I've added one product with the quantity 80 there. The single unit price is $100. Let's tap here on the proceed to checkout button. So now let me choose my shipping method here, and I'll just tap here on the next button to reach to the payment page. So here we need to make the order total is for $8,400, and let's choose payment by our wallet. Now here you can see that the payment needs to be done for $8,400. The amount in our wallet is $1,548, and the left amount to be paid is $6,825. Now here what we'll do is we'll just we need to make a payment for $6,852. So I can choose any other payment method there that's available. So I'll just choose check and money order, and then I'll be tapping here in the place order button, and you can see that the order has been placed with your order number 529. Let's check the order details. So here we can see that the order has been placed, and the grand total is for $8,400. The wallet amount that we've used is $1,548. And here we can see the payment method that was used was Webkul wallet system, and that's how we can place the order if the order amount exceeds the wallet amount by using any other payment methods as well there that are available there, like the offline payment methods that are there. For the third party ones, you can get back to us at support@webkul.com with your requirements, so that we can help you with that as well for integrating the third party payments there. Now let's go back to our manage wallet here, and let me refresh the page once. And if I scroll down here, you can see the use of wallet was done for $1,548, and the status right now is approved. So that was about the manage wallet amount and how to add the amount and how to make the checkout. Now let's go to the transfer wallet amount section. So now under the transfer amount here, the customers can select the payee to whom he wants to transfer the amount. Now the thing is that that particular customer should be a customer to the same web store. So from here, the customer can add the payees first, and those payees, after they have been approved by the admin, would be visible here under the added payees, as you can see. And then they can choose their payee. From the drop down, they can enter the amount that they want transfer. They can set up a note as well, and they can then transfer the money to the customer, and this a wallet amount will be transferred to the other customer's wallet there. So this is the wallet to wallet transfer. To add a new payee, just tap here in the add payee, enter the nickname of the payee, his email address, okay, and then you want to confirm the email address of the payee. Just tap here in the submit button thereafter. Okay, as you can see that no customer was found with the email address that I've entered, so the customer should have a registered email on the store. Only then can you add that payee within this particular add payee section. Now let me show you how we can just transfer the amount to the other customer's wallet. So I've just after adding the payee, after they've approved by the admin, they will be visible here under the added payees list. So you need to choose your payee from the drop down, enter the amount. You can enter a note as well, then just tap here on the transfer money to customer button, and this would basically transfer the amount to the customer's wallet there. So code is sent out on the customer's email ID. That code needs to be entered here, and after entering that code, you just need to tap here on the send amount button, and the amount would be sent out to the wallet of the customer who has been added as a payee by this particular customer himself. Now let's go to the add account details section. So right now we are on the add account details section, and from here the customer can add his account details and can also request the admin to delete any of the account details that he has already uploaded. And here you can see the saved account details are visible, and you can tap here on the request delete info to request the delete for the account details. To request a delete, just need to tap here on the request delete link, and the request will be submitted to the admin to moderate it there. So to add a new account detail, you just need to enter the account holder's name, his account number, the bank name, the bank code, and the additional info, and then just tap here on the submit bank details to save the account details, and then after the moderation, those would be displayed here under the saved account details section. So that was about the customers and how we can manage the amount, how we can transfer the wallet to wallet amount, and how we can add the account details, how we can place the orders, and the rest of the things there, how we can make a top up as well. Now let's go to the admin and let's see what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin and the rest of the flow as well. So right now I logged into my Magento 2 platform-based web store's backend panel by entering my username and password. And after I've logged into my backend panel, we'll have to navigate to the side panel option, that's the wallet system. Let me show you that. And below that we have the wallet system details, we have the wallet system bank transfer details, we have the adjust amount to wallet, wallet system credit rule. So you can also create credit rules that would allow the customer to receive credit amount into their wallets. The admin can adjust the amount wallet into customer's account. He can credit or debit the amount from the customer's wallet as well. The admin can also see the wallet system payee list that have been requested, and under the bank account detail list, the admin can find the complete list of bank account details submitted by the multiple store customers there. So to go to the wallet system, just tap here on the wallet system, and then we have these sections here. Now let's go through each of them one by one. So let's go to the wallet system details first. So under this section, the admin can find the complete wallet system details for each of the customers there, and he can see the customer name, the total amount, the remaining amount, used amount, modified, and the link for the individual details of this particular customer. To view the individual details, just tap here on the individual details link under the actions column, and that would bring up the particular customer's complete details like the amount, the action debit or credit, status or each transaction date and time, any note that have been added, and under the actions column they can view the complete transaction as well. So for example, we have this use wallet for $1548. We can tap here on the wave link under the actions column to view the complete transaction details. So here you can see the customer name, the email address, amount, action was debit, type was wallet amount, the reference there, transaction at, transaction note, and the transaction status as well. So this was about the first thing, that is the wallet system details. Now let's go to the wallet system bank transfer details section, and let's see what different options are there. So under the bank transfer details, the admin can find the complete list of bank transfer requests here, and from here the admin can approve the transaction status. So you can approve or cancel the transaction request by choosing the option from the drop down here. But before that, he needs to choose the references there first, and then he can approve or cancel the particular requests. Apart from that, you can also see we have the option to view the transaction, we have option to cancel the transaction, and we also have the approved transaction status as well. So these two options can be applied to the bank transfer details here. So whenever we are asking for the bank transfer, those are just added here within this particular bank transfer details section. Let me take you to the storefront once again. So I'm again at the customer end. Under the my wallet, I'm on the manage wallet amount section, and if I want to transfer this amount to my bank account, so from the wallet to my bank account, I can tap here on the transfer amount to bank. I can set up how much I want to transfer, for example 800. Then I just need to choose my account details from the drop down, okay, and then I can enter a note for the same, and then I need to tap here on the submit button, and then the customer will find this particular message that your money will be transferred in a maximum of 2 days. This can be set by the admin from the configuration settings of this particular plugin. Now let's go back to the bank transfer section here, and if I refresh this page once, you can see the same transfer to a bank amount request that as a customer I had sent out to the admin for $800. This was the demo note, and that had sent customer name, and from the drop down here we can view the transaction, cancel or approve the transaction status as well. So if I tap here in the approve transaction status and tap here on the OK button, you can see that the transaction status is updated right now, and we have the complete details of the transaction after the amount has been sent to the customer's bank account there by the admin himself. Now let's scroll down again. Let's go to the wallet system. Now let's go to the adjust amount to wallet section. So from here the admin can add or credit or debit the amount from the customer's wallet. So he can adjust the amount to or from the wallet to we'll enter the amount, for example $100. Now we'll choose the action we want to perform on the amount. We want to credit it or we want to debit the amount. We can choose credit amount. We can set the note for the transaction and then just tap here on the update amount, tap OK to update the amount in the customer's wallet. So okay, just give me a second for that. All right, now after choosing the enter amount, we have entered the amount that we want to adjust. We have chosen the credit action. We have set the note. Now we'll choose our user or the customer whom we want to add this particular amount to. So if I choose this one, then just tap in the update amount and this amount will be updated into the customer's wallet. Tap OK and you can see total number of 1 customer wallets are updated. Now whenever this particular customer goes into his wallet, he can check that 100 has been added to his account. And the same goes in the case of if you want to debit the amount from the customer. So choose the amount, enter the amount, choose the action you want to perform, that's debit the amount from the wallet, choose the user from here and then tap here on the update amount and that particular amount would be deducted from the customer's wallet itself. Now coming back to the wallet system, now let's go to the wallet system credit rules. Now under this section, the admin can create new credit rules, and using those rules the customers can receive a credit amount into their wallets. So here you can see that after you've created the credit rules, you can delete and update the credit rules as required using the drop down options here, delete and update credit rules. Apart from that, you can filter out it as well, and to add a new credit rule, just tap here on the add new credit rule button and that brings up the section to add a new credit rule. So here you can set up the credit rule is based on whether you want to have it as per on the product or on the cart. So for example, if I choose it as on cart, the cashback amount, I'll set 20 should be the cashback amount. Then we'll set up the minimum cart amount. If the cart amount is 500 and the customer makes a checkout thereafter, then 20 cashback amount would be added to the customer's wallet. We can set up the start and the end date for this particular credit rule, and we can choose to make it as enabled or disabled as per on rule requirement there. Then you just need to tap on the save credit rule button and this rule would be added to the wallet system credit rules section that we have. So now you can see this particular rule here, so I'll just show you. So this one is that we've just created. So the 5% would be sorry, this one is our rule. The minimum amount was 500 in the cart, the cashback would be 20%, and it's enabled right now. So you can also edit or delete the wallet system credit rules from here. And apart from that, let's go back to the wallet system here, and then we have the wallet system payee list, and lastly the bank account details. So we'll go through the 2 options one by one. Let's go to the wallet system pay details. So whenever a customer wants to transfer the wallet amount to another customer, then he needs to add a payee there. So after adding the payee, that comes under this particular section here, and from the drop down the admin can delete or update the payee status as enabled or disabled. And from here the admin can basically approve that particular what we say as the payee that has been added. So this was a payee that we had added already as a customer. We can also disable this. So if disabled, then the customer won't be able to make it transfer to this his wallet's amount, won't be able to transfer the amount to this particular customer's wallet. And to enable it, we just need to choose the update payee status, enable, tap OK, and we are done. And now that particular customer would be able to transfer his wallet amount to this particular customer's wallet amount very easily. Now lastly, we have the customer account details. So all of the customers can add their account details as we have shown you. So those details are then visible here under this particular section. So the admin can delete, and for example, here you can see that the request for delete option is we had requested to delete one of the accounts there, and that same customer delete request has been is visible here right now. So for one it's a yes, and for the other one it's a no. So to delete the bank account details of this particular customer, we can just tap in the delete link under the actions column, and the customer account details for which the customer has asked to delete would be deleted. So that's how we can delete it. Apart from that, admin can also with the complete list of customer account details for which the request for delete has been sent out by the customers. So that was about the rest of the things under the wallet system itself. So we've gone through each of these one by one. Now let's go to the initial configuration settings, and so for that we just need to navigate through stores and then configuration. So these settings are the initial ones. After the successful installation of this particular plugin, you need to make this configuration. So you'll just navigate through stores and configuration. On the configuration page, under the Webkul block, we have the wallet system. Just tap the up, and that brings up the various sections wherein we'll be able to configure the various initial configuration sections. So you can check our user guide as well as the live demo that I have attached within the description below to know more about the configuration of the initial configuration system. So I'll just go through I'll just give you a small overview for each. So here we have the wallet system cashback. So you can set up the cashback calculation, whether it should be on the product based or the card based. That depends upon your own requirement, how you have created the cashback rules. Then you have the price calculation. How the price calculation should be there. So you can choose it as a fixed or a percent. If you have set it as fixed, then the cashback price would be set up as fixed. Otherwise, if percent, then the percentage would be there. So for example, here you can see that in percent type calculation, if in a rule having a cashback amount more than 100%, then the cashback amount is calculated to 100%. Then we have display custom message on transfer to account request submission. So if you want to display custom message, choose a yes. Then you can also set up the message on transfer request submission. So whenever a customer asks for the transfer to the account request submission there to the bank, at that time this message is displayed. You've seen it already in the front end workflow. Then we have adding amount in wallet settings. So here you can choose to allow to use the discounts while adding amount in wallet. So if you choose this option and it's yes, then you will be able to allow customers to apply discount when the customer is adding the wallet amount in his wallet. At that time discount can also be applied. Otherwise, to not allow that, just choose a no for that. Then we have the transfer amount settings. Here you can enable the validation while transfer. So if this validation is yes, then a verification code is sent out to the email ID of the customer. That verification code is entered. Only then the transfer amount from wallet to wallet can be done from a customer to the other customer's wallet within the store itself. You can also choose to set the duration of the code usage. So it's in 30 seconds. You can set it as per your own requirement there, and that code would be valid until that duration that you've set here. Then we have the customer payee approval required. Whether you want to have the customer payee approval required by the admin for the transfer of the amount. If you choose it as a yes, then the admin needs to approve that particular payee first, and only then you'll be able to transfer the amount to the payee. Otherwise, you can directly, if this is chosen as no, then you can directly transfer the amount to the customer. Here you have the display message. If you have set the approval required, then you'll have to set up the custom message and the message on transfer submission. You can transfer amount to pay in 1 hour. So this would be displayed if we have set the customer pay approval required as yes. Then we have prefix for transactions. So you can set up the prefix for the credit amount by admin, and the rest of the things here you can go to the user guide for more details. Here you also have the cron job settings, so you can enable the cron job for the monthly statements. So if you've chosen this option as a yes, then every customer will get a monthly statement of the wallet transaction on date of 1 of each month. Otherwise, to disable this functionality for the monthly statements, just choose it as no. And lastly, we have the wallet system transaction emails. These are the default transaction emails that need to be selected for each of the options there, or the functionalities there. For example, wallet recharge email template for the customer. So whenever the wallet is recharged, an email is sent to the customer. Wallet recharge email template for the admin. Wallet amount used email to the customer. Wallet amount used email to the admin. Wallet amount cashback or cashback amount email to the customer, and so on. So that was much about the Magento 2 wallet system. I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular plugin. If you still have any questions, queries, or suggestions, then kindly reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvidis.com. Apart from that, you can also reach out to us for a faster processing of your queries at www.webkul.com/contact. And once again, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.